How to fix if Instagram filters is not working. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. So in today's guide video, I'll simply guide you on how you can fix if Instagram filters is not working. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. So if the Instagram filters, basically whenever you're trying to create a post or something is not been working, then it could be happening due to a couple of reasons. So basically you can see all these types of filters over here, and then you just tap on the next button and then use these filters accordingly. But if it's not working, then first of all what you want to do is just go ahead and then actually long press on the Instagram app icon that you see. Once you long press on it, just tap on the I button here, then it'll take you to the app info page. Then go to the option called storage, clear cache. If possible, also try to clear the data. Now once you've done the steps, basically you want to come back and then open up your respective Play Store or your App Store, and in the search box you simply want to search for Instagram. Check if the Instagram app has an update, and if it does, definitely make sure to update it to the latest version, because updating will also most likely help you solve the bugs and errors that existed in the previous version. If this doesn't help, you might also want to try to check your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular data. If you're using cellular data, try to switch to Wi-Fi and then see if that solves your problem. If it doesn't, last but not the least, simply try to go ahead and then restart your device, and then once you restart your device, depending upon the volume button combinations, you should be able to fix this problem. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.